Alright, so you want me to write down the whole question? Is it 45 minus 6 times 8 minus 3? What should I do next? Huh? Which should we do? Underline the bracket, okay. So do I write equal sign? No. All right, below here, like this. Okay, wait. Don't behave like kids, huh? Some of you say yes, some say no. Yeah, I understand why some of you say yes. I understand why some say no. But what is your working? 45 minus 6 times 5. Okay. So he did the brackets first. Then what do we do next? Minus? Minus 30, yes. And finally we have our answer as 15. Thank you. Sit down. So can we actually use our calculator to help us confirm the answer? Can. All we need to do is just press exactly what we see, and our calculator will help us find out whether we are right or wrong. Okay, so next question. Which part should we do first? 5 plus 15. So we do the brackets first, right? Okay, so 6 minus 1 gives us 5. Do I need to draw brackets? Can I draw bracket? Yeah, I can. But I don't need it. Okay, so I'm going to erase it. Then what should I do next? Do the division. Okay, so 15 divided by 5 is? So plus 3, right? And we get 8. Can? Yes, next question. Okay, now, here. This, I have not taught you yet. Yeah, okay. Yes. Although I didn't teach you, but you probably have an idea of how to do it. But maybe some of you a bit confused. Like, for example, a carton costs $3.95. Round off the cost of the carton of milk to the nearest dollar. First instruction, round off the cost of the carton of milk. So how many cartons? One. They say the carton, referring to one carton, round it off to the nearest dollar. So what is the nearest dollar? So $3.95. What should we circle? 9. Then what do we do?
Draw arrow.
Yes. And we get $4. Okay, I pause over here first. You think about it. When you are going to a supermarket, you see that the milk costs $3.95. Straight away, without thinking, you know that it is about how much? About $4 off? Will you think this way? Wow, $3.95. The 9 is bigger than whatever, so I must round up, down, everything. No need, right? All of you have a gut feeling. You know roughly it is $4. And mathematics helps us to improve our estimation. Okay? So here, this is the cost of 1 carton, and they ask us to estimate the cost of 5 cartons. So 5 cartons cost how much? What is the working like? 4 times 5. $20. Okay. Who got $20 as your answer? Yeah, I believe you. I believe most of you got 20. But what is your working like? Wait. Is your working like mine? When I say it is like mine, do you write words to tell me what you are calculating? Don't have, right? I believe without walking around, I believe many people will just write 4 times 5 equals $20. No explanation. Right? No explanation, not good enough. Hey, come on, we are already in secondary school. Tell the teacher what you are calculating. I don't want to guess. Because if I guess, I will guess wrongly. Okay? For example, if you are writing it like this, if your answer is like this, and during the test I'll be wondering, this student, is he saying that $20 is the cost of one carton? Is this student saying that $4 is the cost of 5 cartons? To you guys, obviously not lah. But to me, I will choose the wrong answer. I will say, this student must be thinking that this is the cost of 5 cartons, this is the cost of 1 carton. Then I'll say wrong. You understand? Because that is how I'm going to do it. You have to have a habit of writing down what you are calculating, so that when I read it, I don't have to guess. Yes, question? Okay, 1 carton arrow. Or 5 cartons. Okay, wait. So this is cost of 1 carton. Okay, so it's like this. Then I was saying that cost of 5 cartons. Approximately this. Okay, so this is a very common issue for Sec 1 students. Okay, Sec 1 students are, because when you go to Sec 2, somehow they don't have that problem anymore. And what is the problem? The problem is, you write this way: 1 carton, arrow, $4. 5 cartons, arrow, 4 times 5, and you say $20, right? Yeah, I know. Your primary school teacher teach you use arrow, right?
I don't like that kind of.
But I've got bad news for you. What's the bad news? The bad news is, this arrow has a meaning in mathematics. Okay? It is just like saying, you know, in the first place, why did you all use arrow? Why use arrow? Okay, wait. Teacher say cannot use equal sign. Why cannot use equal sign? Wait. Why cannot say 1 carton equal $4? No, it is not because that is the answer, that's why I cannot. Pause first. Wait. Why can't we say 1 carton equal $4? When we say equal, we mean that they are the same. Is 1 carton really equal to $4? No, it is not. Well, 1 carton can drink, $4 cannot drink, right? They are not the same. Then, to make things easier for primary school kids, your teacher say draw arrow. Do you understand why now? Do you understand why cannot use arrow? Because they are not the same. And therefore, your teacher told you all just use arrow. Then the teachers marking PSLE, right? They say okay, can. But you come to secondary school, cannot. Because arrow is reserved for something else in mathematics. Okay? Then you cannot anyhow use it without knowing what it is. And I'm telling you, it doesn't work over here. Then how? Cannot use equal, cannot use arrow. Your whole life has been a lie. Then how? So now you watch what we do. Just write cost lah. 1 carton cost $4. It's English, isn't it? And it's perfectly understandable. It is not difficult. Cost $4. How difficult is that? So 5 cartons, cost. Do this law? Not difficult, right? You just need to be very clear about what you're doing, so that I know what you are doing. So from here on, I don't want to see arrow. I don't want to see things like this. Also 1 carton, then you dash. Mr. Wong say cannot arrow, cannot equal. Then I put a dash lah. Yeah, look like minus, right? Also cannot. Then how? Just write cost law. It's not very difficult, right? Alright, next. Oh yeah, just now there were some questions over there. Any more questions? No. Next, yes? Who called me? Yes? Hey, you interrupt the class, you better have something to say, huh? Don't waste time in class. Next. Question 3. By rounding off each number to the nearest whole number, estimate the value of the following. Each number. How many numbers do you see over here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. We got 4. 1 number, 2 numbers, 3, 4, and 5 numbers, right? There are 5 numbers. They said round off each number to the nearest whole number. Do you understand what that means? Every single number round to the nearest whole number. Hey, come on. If you were to do this, difficult or not? Difficult. Unless you have a calculator or you have a lot of free time. Okay, so they say round off each number to the whole number. Let's start. So, we use this to represent that we are rounding. The first number is 2. Do I need to round it off? No, it's already a whole number. Next, we have times. We have 6.80. What should I circle?
8.
Good. Do I need to do anything?
Draw arrow.
Arrow up.
7.
7. Hey, did they say dollars? No, they didn't say it's dollars, so just put 7. Then we have plus. 3 is already a whole number. Times. Bracket. What number do oh, they're all 5s. What should I circle? The first 5, second 5, or third 5? Second. Then, up arrow, it becomes 6. Plus. What should I circle? 2. Circle the 2. Don't need. 1. Close. Now it becomes way easier. What is this now? 2 times 7. 14. Oh, yeah, I'll do the bracket first, right? Okay, never mind. We leave it as 2 times 7 first. 2 times 7 plus 3 times what is inside? 7. Okay, I don't need the brackets over here. So now I've got multiply plus multiply. What should I do first? 2 times 7, how much is that? 14. Then plus 3 times 7, how much? 21. Total? 35. Can you see that instead of doing $6.80 times 2 lah, 5.55 plus 1.20, so complicated. We are just doing estimation. And we can do that because question said round off. Okay, so for part B now. Same thing, round off each number to the nearest whole number. So round it off. First number is a 10, it is a whole number already. Second number, minus 3, no change. Third number, 0.60, what do I circle? Good. Up arrow becomes 1, bracket 1, plus, next. What do I circle?
0.
Then no change, yes. Minus, what do I circle? What do I circle now? 4. Circle 4, no change. Answer, 1 over here. So I remember we're supposed to do the brackets first. Everything else just copy. 1 plus 2 is 3, yes. Then minus 1, everything else just copy down only, just bring it down. Don't need to think so much. Do the times. 10 minus, what is 3 times 3? 9. Then minus 1 again. Hey, what's the answer? Are you sure negative 1? I think it's 0, right? Okay. Do you have some confidence? Okay, now, next page, you try part A. It says, round off each number to 1 SF. 1 SF. What do you have to do? You see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers over there. Are you sure 1 SF is 1 decimal place? I don't think so. Sorry? It doesn't matter. Just round off every single number to 1 SF. Yes? This one. Each number, this one round to 1 SF, 1 SF, 1 SF, 1 SF, 1 SF, and I show you the starting, I show you the starting. Hey, you must have some confidence yourself. That requires you to read and understand the question. Round off each number to 1 SF. How many numbers do you see? 5 numbers, right? Every single number round off to 1 SF. We have learned how, no need calculator yet. We have learned how to round off every single number to 1 SF. We do so by circling the second SF. So 77.8. Circle your second SF. Which is your second SF?
8.
7.
7.
The second 7. Then, what do we need to do?
Arrow up.
Arrow up. And what is the first number approximately?
8.
80. Then we have a plus.
23.
Do we leave it as 23?
No. Circle the 3.
Circle the 3.
Then only 10.
Then what do we have?
20.
Then copy down the times. What do we circle now?
1. The second one.
The second one. And?
1.
Is it 10 or 1? Denominator? What is the
3.
circle the 3? What do we have?
10.
Plus. What do we circle?
The second one.
The second one. And we get 10 again. Now this one we can do, right?
Yeah.
So do we need calculator?
Oh.
What is this value?
8 plus 20, 100.
80 plus 20.
Do the time. 100 over 20.
And how much is that?
20.
Yes. Okay, so
50.
So we can do the multiplication first. 80 plus, what's 20 times 1? 20 lor. Over 10 plus 10. What? 120. Why? Okay? Okay, now your turn. Try part B. Which part doesn't make sense? What? Why is it that your friends can do it but you cannot do it? We're all in the same class. You have the same teacher. How so? Cannot say that one. You cannot say you have no brain. Okay? Now, hey, class. At the start, I said you must have confidence. Do not discourage other people. Worse, you don't discourage yourself. You are telling yourself that you cannot do it. How are you going to succeed in future? Okay, part B, come on. Every single number, change it to 1 SF. Then you must show me the curly equal sign. Show me that you are doing some wrong. Okay, what's done? Try question 5. Write a number statement. That means write
But I think the answer is 1. Yeah, it's 1. It's 1. One, right? Doesn't matter. Wait, maybe you ask Tracy about it. Ask Tracy.
This is McDonald's.
Why
Okay, guys, are you ready for part B? Okay, part B. Round off every single number to one SF first. What is the first SF in this 100? The first SF. 1. So we circle the first or the second? Circle the second SF. Yeah, so you just write 100. Then minus. Okay, we've got 32. Round off to 1 SF. Circle the second SF. Which is the second SF? Circle the 2. Do we need to draw up arrow? No need. So what do I write? Times 2.8. What do I circle? What do I circle?
8, the 8.
Circle the 8. Then
Bring up the
what do we circle?
the
1.
1.
20. Minus. Circle. 10. 100 minus 90. Over 20 minus 10. 10 over 10. 1. Okay, how many of you got it correct by yourself? Okay, how about half the class only? Thank you. Put your hands down. Put your hands down. 10 over 10, answer 1. Oh, okay. Question 5. Who seriously don't like this type of question? Okay. Why you don't like? Too many words, is it? Don't know what I say? But you all understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Most of the times, come on, yes? No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Where? So how is that affecting you? What do you mean? How? some things that I allow you all to chit chat, maybe joke about. There are some things that are really not funny. Okay, and this is one of them, huh? If you really see such an observation, you let me know. Okay? But if you don't see it, then there's no reason to say it. Because it didn't happen. Is that clear? Okay? There are some lines that we do not cross. Clear? And now we don't have enough time, so this is going to be your homework. Your test. Huh? Question 5A, 5B. Okay. 5A, 5B, because the rest I haven't taught you yet. No? This one? Stop. Stop, guys. I've got an important announcement to make. Is this your last lesson? Okay, just give me a while. Your test is on week 7. You have received the notice already, right? What are you going to be tested on? Correct. Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. Right now, we just started Chapter 2. Listen. Listen. We just finished the first part of Chapter 2. We still have quite a number more topics. We may not, because Chapter 2 is quite big. So we may not have time to revise. Whatever was taught in Chapter 1, you make sure you know it properly. When I walk around, I know some of you were not listening to instructions. Never circle. Don't know how to round off to SM and DP. Half of your test is on rounding off. If you cannot do it, half of the marks are gone. Okay? Last test. Thank you, class. Nice day.